screaming like a word. Bye-bye.
Do you need to go to work but need something to enrich and entertain your bird?
We have just the solution for you, the Ivy League Bird TV playlist on YouTube. 10 hours of enrichment and entertainment for birds. Teach your bird to say and sing happy birthday.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi! Hello! Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday. Happy birthday. 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 Ooh.
How did baby Zeus learn to say and sing happy birthday?
Baby Zeus learned by listening to our video. How to teach your parrot to say and sing happy birthday. Link down below, available on YouTube.
Play this for your bird today. Link down below.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you.